This is question number 10 of chapter 10. Question number 10.22 of chapter 10, alkyl halides and aryl halides. बाद में कर ले
एक लाइन होगी कि
syllabus will be taken after 42 syllabus. Okay. All right. So first is N-butyl chloride. N means normal butyl chloride. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And normal butyl chloride. So in the first carbon atom, H, 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 and H is treated with alcoholic KOH. With aqueous KOH, substitution takes place. OH will take its place, Cl will come out. But with alcoholic KOH, elimination takes place. Elimination reaction will occur. Now there are two ways in which elimination can be there. This chlorine and this hydrogen may come out like this. Cl minus comes out and one H plus comes out. Then what will be formed? It will form CH3, CH2, CH, carbon-carbon double bond. Whatever earlier bond was there, after that, one pi bond will be formed. CH and H. But since this chlorine is in the terminal carbon atom number 1, so other eliminations in between the chain is not possible. So only this is possible. So it will form, how will we name this compound? This will be but1-ene or simply butene. Okay. So if this chlorine would have been in some other carbon atom, then there could have been some other possibility. So there is no other possibility. There is only one possibility, and this will be the major product. This is the answer. Next is bromobenzene is treated with magnesium in presence of ether. Second, it is called as bromobenzene is treated with magnesium in presence of ether. Dry ether. So it forms benzene, magnesium, bromide. It is a type of organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. Commonly, it is known as Grignard reagent. Dry ether is used because in presence of water, if any water will be present, then this will react with the water to form something else. This is positive part, this is negative part. With water, it reacts and hydrogen takes this place and MgOH Br minus is formed. So since we don't have to form benzene back again, so we don't use water. Okay, water is not used. And hence, in the preparation of Grignard reagent, GR, or also called as RMGX. It is also called as RMGX. R is alkyl or aryl group, magnesium, any halide. Okay, it's called as Grignard reagent. Why in Grignard reagent preparation water is not used or moisture is avoided? Because moisture will lead to the formation of other byproducts like benzene and magnesium hydroxide derivative. Next is chlorobenzene is subjected to hydrolysis. Chlorobenzene is subjected to hydrolysis. Let us take hydrolysis in presence of base. It will form phenol with difficulty. It is not easy. What if we do it with the help of acid? No reaction. We will see no change. Here also hardly any change we will be able to see. This type of reaction is possible only when we fuse NaOH at 623 Kelvin. It is called as Dose process. This is because chlorine has a double bond character, so it cannot be hydrolyzed easily. Okay, cannot be hydrolyzed easily. Ethyl chloride is treated with aqueous KOH. C2H5Cl, or we can also write CH3CH2Cl. If it is treated with aqueous KOH, it will form C2H5OH. It is also hydrolysis. Same thing. Methyl bromide treated with sodium in presence of dry ether. Methyl bromide treated with sodium in dry ether. Here we use dry ether because in presence of water, sodium can catch fire. So 2 NaBr will come out and these two CH3 will join. This we can write as C2H6, or we can write as CC, or we can write as This is a named reaction. It is a named reaction. It is called as Woods reaction. In today's video, which I will be sending you, all the name reactions of this chapter is given. Methyl chloride is treated with KCN. KCN is potassium cyanide. CH3Cl plus KCN. Obviously, KCl will come out and CN will take its place. This type of reaction is used for increasing number of carbon atoms. So what is happening? Nucleophilic substitution reaction. What happens in this? A stronger nucleophile replaces weaker nucleophile. Weaker nucleophile. Nucleophile will be a negatively charged species or electron rich species. Okay, and it will always love positive center. It has a positive charge. This is a very interesting question. Question number 10.21. A primary alkyl halide, that means the halogen is attached with a carbon, the carbon which is attached with only one more carbon. So C4H9. So C4H9, C1, 2, 3, 4. C4H9, CH3, H, 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 H and Br. C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is C4H9 Br. Is compound A reacted with alcoholic KOH. So what will happen? elimination reaction will take place. So if elimination takes place, then what will be formed? It will form CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH2 minus HBr. One Br minus will come here and one H plus will come here by giving its electron. This is compound B. No sooner we write compound B, we will get 1 mark. Then compound B is reacted with HBr. This is reacted with HBr again. And see, no peroxide is given. That means Markovnikov's addition will take place. Markovnikov's addition means hydrogen will go to that carbon atom across the double bond where there is more number of hydrogen atom. So it will form CH3, CH2, CH, here Br will come, and here CH3. So compound C we have found out, and no sooner we find compound C, we will get another 1 mark. Now, which is an isomer of compound A? Yes, true, they are isomers. It is true. They are isomers. What kind of isomers they are? They are positional isomers. This is butyl bromide. This is 1 bromobutane, and this is 2 bromobutane. So these are positional isomers. It is 1 bromobutane, and this is 2 bromobutane. Now, when compound A is made to react with sodium, gives compound D. Okay. Now this is made to react with compound. This is made to react with sodium. So it will undergo Wood's reaction. In Wood's reaction, what happens? 2 NaBr comes out, and these two molecules they join. So it will form C4, and C4 will become C8, and H9 and H9 will become H18. And how will it look like? It will look like this. CH3, CH2, 6 times CH3. It will be normal octane. But if you will treat this with Now, if this molecule undergoes Wood's reaction, then this bromine will come out and joining from the carbon and carbon will be from carbon atom number 2. So as a result, here the compound formed will be like this: CH3, CH2, CH, Br, CH3, 2Na, Br, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. In this case, the NaBr will come from these carbon atoms. As a result, the molecule formed will be like this: CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, C, CH3, H, CH2, CH3. Again, here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons are there and hydrogens are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 18. So here also C8, H18 is formed, but their structural formula is different. So these two also are isomers. These two are also isomers. What kind of isomers they are? They are chain isomers. This is normal octane. And if you name this compound will become, count the longest chain: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 3,4 dimethyl hexane. It is forming 3,4 dimethyl hexane. 3,4 dimethyl hexane. So we had to write down the structural formula of A and write the equations of all the reaction. So we have written the equation for all the reactions. So 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, then 1 mark for this, and 1 mark for this, and concluding that it is normal butane. For that you will get 1 mark. So total it will be a 5 mark question. Now I will send you the YouTube video. The reactions shown there will help you to develop the skills to solve these type of problems. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students are there. I have extracted all the name reactions from both preparation and properties so that you can learn and remember the name reactions in a nutshell. Thank you all. You can leave the meet.
Thank you, sir.
Main reactions of